Hello and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe and turn on your post notifications.
The ultimate crispy batter fried fish and oven baked french fries is what you might be craving this entire lockdown, and I have the perfect recipe for you.
Okay, so here I have fish fillets, some cube pieces and some fillet, but you can take all together fillet piece. First thing is that you have to squeeze lemon juice over it. Now this step is very important in case of bhetki fish because it has that fishy smell which we want to get rid of. So mix it very nicely and keep it aside for 2 to 3 minutes just to get rid of that fishy smell.
After 2-3 minutes, run it under cold water for a couple of times. This will get rid of the tartness and also the fish smell. Now that my fish is nicely washed, add in a teeny tiny bit of garlic paste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, salt as per your taste, and I am adding here thyme, but this is optional. And now some fresh parsley. Very light handedly marinate the fish because it is delicate, so it might break.
Add as less spices and masalas as you can and keep it aside for a good 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, now we'll make the batter for frying the fish. So I have taken here maida or all-purpose flour. To that I have added half cup of corn flour, and now I will be adding in half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, pretty much the same thing that we have marinated the fish with, half teaspoon of salt. Now add in water little by little. We want a thick paste like consistency. This is cold water, and this is a very important step that you have to use cold water because when it hits hot oil, that is when it will give you that crispiness and the fluffiness that we want for this recipe. The batter should somewhat be thick like this, dropping consistency but on the thicker side. Anyways, I am done with my batter. Now my desi jugaad for that crispiness is in about half teaspoon of baking soda and top it up with 1 teaspoon of vinegar. You see the froth here? That is exactly what will give you that crispiness because baking soda works best with vinegar and it will make your batter light and crispy and fluffy, and those are what we want for this recipe. Do not mix it much, just combine it with the flour and that's it. Now put on the kadai, heat sufficient quantity of oil because we are going to deep fry it. Do not heat up the oil too much because we have to get the fish cooked through and through and make the batter golden brown. Now if you want to check the temperature of the oil, to insert a wooden stick like this, and you see there are vigorous bubbles. See? So it means that the oil is too hot, so we have to lower the flame. Now I have taken this fish, coat it very nicely with the batter and drop it in. The same thing, drop the fish fillet, coat it very nicely with the batter and drop it in. Then one side of the fish is golden brown. Then flip it to the other side. This is the color that we are aiming for. See, golden brown fried fish. Now when you feel that your fish is ready, take it out onto an absorbent paper to get rid of the excess oil.
Repeat the same process with the other fillets as well. Crispy golden brown deep fried fish and oven baked French fries, a perfect combo for a Sunday evening. Nothing can be better than this. Do you hear that crispiness? That is exactly what we were aiming for this particular recipe. Follow all the tips and tricks that I have shown you, and just a few handful of ingredients, and every time you make it, it will be a complete hit with all the crispiness and fluffiness that you want.
Listen to the crunch, listen to the crunch. Heaven on a plate. Please do follow me on Instagram. Instagram handle is given in the description box down below. And if you have tried any of my recipes, then please do not forget to tag me on my Facebook page given right here. Like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.